Hello and welcome to Endeavor's Information Mini-Series, overviewing demand planning for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, showcasing out-of-the-box functions and field descriptions. For more on the final section on item cards, Yaz, over to you.
Okay. The next one is the fixed reorder quantity. And as you can see, the fixed reorder quantity is being used with the reorder quantity field. Okay. Some other fields come to life. You can see that the lot accumulation period and rescheduling period, and for example, the maximum inventory can't be used. Okay. So those are the fields that are out of question, and those are the fields that we could probably use. With the main one with the fixed reorder quantity is the reordering quantity. Now, if we go to maximum quantity, you will see that the reordering quantity is out of question. You will see that dampener period is out, the lot accumulation period, and the rescheduling period are all out of question. However, the maximum inventory field is the main field that I would use with the reordering policy maximum quantity. There's also other planning parameters that we could use to tweak the planning suggestions a little bit, like the time bucket, or the reordering point, or the safety lead time, safety quantity, for example. Okay. The last one, which is the most used planning policy, is the lot for lot. Okay. Most clients love this policy because it helps with bucketing all your demand, all your supply into one order. And that could be a production, a purchase, or assembly. So for example, you have 3 sales orders. Each one is asking for a different quantity of the same item. Okay. The shipment dates are within 2 or 3 or maybe a week of each other. Okay. So it makes sense to, like specifically in manufacturing, if you have machines that the setup on these machines, the tooling on these machines, the dialing of this tooling takes a long time. That time is worth money, right? So instead of creating 3 production orders and getting my machine set up 3 different times, my gauges dialed 3 different times, and lose that cost, okay, I would create 1 production order. I would do the setup once for the whole quantity of these 3 sales orders and just run it. That way, I'm saving money on my setup and production. So it gives me the opportunity to have better planning time for my plant, and I will be able to probably sell these items at a lower price than my competitors who would have to create 3 production orders and incur the cost of the 3 setups. Okay. On the purchasing side, it could be the same thing. So you have 3 sales orders for for the same item that you purchased. However, instead of sending 3 different purchase orders to your vendor within a shipment period of, say, 1 week, and if this vendor, for example, exists overseas in China or India, instead of having to pay for the logistics of shipment of 3 different shipments coming from 3 different purchase orders, I would want the system to create 1 purchase order for the whole quantity, and I would pay for 1 shipment. Okay. As you can see with this policy, you're getting the lot accumulation period live. All these fields, because they relate to different planning policies that we saw earlier, they're not active. And I have the order modifiers active as well. Okay.
Thanks, Yaz. What a great overview of item cards. To get full access to the mini-series or to find out how Endeavor can optimize your inventory management for manufacturers, resellers, wholesalers, and distributors, visit endeavorsolutions.ca/demand. See you then.